Hello boys and girls, and thank you for joining me this week as we review rounding on a number line. Now just remember the trick that I taught you with rounding. You always want to look at the ones place when you're rounding, okay? That's what's going to tell you where you need to round to. Now another trick that I taught you is if the number in our ones place is anywhere between 0 and 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you're going to round down. Okay, but if in the ones place the number is 5 to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you're going to round up. All right, now the last tool or trick that I taught you is on a number line. It's really easy to see where you need to round because it's the number that it's closest to. So let me give you an example. Now I have the number 13 and I'd like to round it to the nearest 10. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find this number on my number line. So here's 10, 11, 12, 13, and I'm going to mark that. Now let's use the first trick. Let's look in the ones place. It's a 3, and that's between 0 and 4, right? So this is telling me to round down to 10, not up to 20. Let's use our other trick to double check ourselves. Now, is 13 closer to 10 or is 13 closer to 20? It's definitely closer to 10, right? So I am going to round down to 10. Let's try another number, okay? Let's say that we have the number 17, okay? Let's use our tricks to see if we can figure out where to round this number. Do we want to round it down to 10 or up to 20? Okay, first we're going to find the number on our number line. So we have 15, 16, 17. Now, let's check with our first trick. In our ones place, we have a 7. That's between 5 and 9, so that's telling us to round up to 20. Okay, now let's double check with our other trick. Is 17 closer to 10, or is it closer to 20? It's definitely closer to 20, right? So that tells us we want to round up to 20. So this week, good luck looking at rounding on a number line. Now remember, these tricks, these tools that I've taught you, these tools are the same even if you have a number like 437 or 1111. No matter what the number is, you always want to use these tricks. Find it on a number line. Look at the ones place. Decide where it is, if you're going to round down or if you're going to round up, and double check with where it is on the number line. Good luck this week.